Hello everybody, my name is Garrick and this is
Gregory, Joseph, Martez.
And we're coming to you recorded from
Dallas.
rental car shortage.
There's a rental car shortage. Where?
Apparently everywhere, including Hawaii and Vegas and everywhere.
Okay. What can we do with being, SHAiR owners to help with this rental car shortage across the country?
I don't know if you guys have taken a look at car dealerships, but they're pretty much empty and they all think that they can just not give you any discounts and you're gonna be okay with that.
Yeah, we're trying to buy.
No, this is at the end.
I know. I'm seeing it. I'm hooking them. Hooking your audience, dude. Let me just be free. Used cars are going up as well, and we're trying to buy. We're going to talk about that later on in the next episode, but it is very difficult. They're marking up cars $50,000, $60,000 higher than its current value, even used cars.
And so part of that is because you can't make the cars. There's a shortage on like the chips and things like that. Obviously COVID, production shortage, but yeah, if you're looking to make some money off your car, it's definitely the right time to do it.
So how do we take advantage of this?
We've made it free for anyone to post their cars. So it's completely free. So that's no entry barriers, maybe a couple of minutes to upload your car, set your price, take a few photos of it, and you're good to go. You can start earning money in any state except New York.
So currently there's a huge demand for car rentals. So download our app, it's free. You can list your car, and when you're not using your car, you can make money. We had someone last month make over $3,000 by just listing their car when they're not using it. So there's a huge demand for car rentals. Budget and Enterprise and all those car companies dumped a lot of their inventory during COVID because they weren't renting it, so they had to sell out and get cash. And now when they went to go buy back that inventory, and there's no cars to buy back. So there's a massive shortage right now, and we're here to help you guys, earn more money and have the ability to have a platform that doesn't cost you anything. You pick and choose when you want to rent it and who you want to rent it to, and you have extra revenue coming in.
24/7 live support, so you can comment on this video, we'll answer any questions, but if you want an immediate answer, download our app, open it up anytime, and they'll chat with you, answer any of your questions, and help you post your car, help you set any settings that you have, and we'll take care of you for free, all for free.